How to pay contactless with Revolut. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Revolut and how you can do contactless payments for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way. So, what you're going to do is once you're in your Revolut, as so over here, what's going to happen is you're going to have some settings to work along with, okay? So, to do proper contactless payment, first of all, you're going to make sure that you have a card, okay? That you have a proper card for your account, okay? So, you can find the cards from this section over here. Now, once you have the proper cards and the necessary details needed that you can choose from here, what you're going to be doing is you're simply going to go ahead and first of all, you are going to be making sure that the relevant necessary payment modules that you're going to have for that card are correct. And don't ever go ahead and do a contactless payment with your main one use card. Do make sure that you use it with the virtual card. And what happens is if you have a Revolut card for a physical use, like if you have a physical card, it could be credit or debit. In that case, you can simply tap it with a contactless payment machine, and in that case, it's gonna transact your money. But in the case that you want to do it through the virtual card, first of all, you're going to make sure you have the advanced iOS. Okay. So once you have the advanced iOS features, what you're simply going to do from there is you're simply going to go ahead, set up your virtual card. And once you set up your virtual card, you're simply going to go ahead and tap your phone on the contactless machine, and it should go ahead and do the contactless Revolut transactions for you. So that is pretty much about it. You don't need to turn any settings or any item on. It should do it, normally for you. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.